So I want to show you how to make this pom-pom. You can make it different sizes depending what pom-pom maker you've got. I've got here quite a big one. This will make a big one, and the little blue one will make a tiny, teeny one. So I'm going to use slightly smaller one, just so you see the difference. This one, I made it with the yellow. So as you can see, it kind of makes a pom-pom the same size as the diameter of the pom-pom maker. So we're going to make a slightly smaller one here. So all you need to do is your pom-pom maker and your wool and some scissors. And this is how we're going to do it. You pin them. Oh, that's not good. And then, there you go. You open them like this. And you're going to put them facing each other. So you've got these bumps and you've got these holes. So you're going to put them opposite. So the bumps go on top of the holes like this. This is how it's going to go. And then you want to take your yarn. And you're going to hold it here. And you're just going to start putting it on the pom-pom maker like this. So when you reach that, then you want to move on to the next one. So what you want to do is go to the next side, hold it, and start wrapping on your other side. And sometimes they don't line up until you start wrapping the yarn on it. So we're going to keep wrapping on this side. So that's about what we can fit. So we're going to close our pom-pom. We're going to cut this yarn here. Doesn't matter if it's longer. We'll trim it anyway in the end. And you want to bring your pom-pom together and close it in like this. That's it. Now it's all secure. So what we're going to do next is start cutting. So you take your scissors and you start cutting all around here. Just make sure that you cut all the way, every piece. The end. That's what it looks like now. Carefully turn it and then cut this side now. Make sure it's all cut. And once you've finished, it looks like this. And you want to be very careful with it to lay it down and take some thread. And I like to double it. Take some more yarn or thread. Like that. and you want to slide it this way in between those two discs. And it will go in, and you want to make a knot and squeeze it as much as you can. Now if you have very weak yarn, you might want to do this with a different thread, more stronger thread. That's why I double this one, because it's not weak, but it could just easily break. So once it's secure, do a double knot. Okay, and then all you got to do is open these two sides. I don't know why one of them is a bit hard to open. Open the two sides, and our pom-pom is almost ready. I say almost ready because sometime you need to trim it a bit. Show you what I mean. So as you can see, it's a little bit, it's got some bigger ones and some that need trimming. So all you got to do with that is just take your scissors and kind of give it a haircut. So just give it a haircut around to make it all round. Keep on shaking it, give it a little bit of a fluff so all those long pieces will come to surface so you can trim them. And that is your pom-pom for your hat. That's the pom-pom. It's quite squishy. It's dense enough because I kind of pulled a little bit on the yarn as I was wrapping it around the pom-pom maker, which makes it a bit denser. It's nice. So keep trimming until you have your perfectly round pom-pom. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you gave it a try, if you knitted a hat, if you made the pom-pom, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you knitted, and I want to see what you guys come up with and what colors you make. I will link a PDF pattern downloadable from Ravelry in the description down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.